Get ready, start. Peshawar, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Elementary and Secondary Education Department on Monday directed its provincial and district formations to work from home for security reasons following the storming of the Secretary Office by a special assistant to the Chief Minister along with armed men full stop. New para. The incident also sparked a protest from different associations of the federal and provincial services, including provincial management officers, Pakistan Administrative Services, provincial planning service and a large number of senior bureaucrats outside the chief secretary office full stop. New para. Official told Dan did the incident involving special assistant to the chief minister on relief Naik Mohammed took place last Friday when he barged into Education Secretary Muhammad Khalid's office in Civil Secretariat along with armed guards and other persons to push the official into withdrawing transfer orders for North Waziristan District Education Officer Female Full Stop New Para. An education department's situation report shared with senior government functionaries said date at around 4:30 p.m. on September 12, Special Assistant to Chief Minister on Relief Naik Mohammed, accompanied by his armed guards and 10 to 15 private individuals, forcibly enter the office of the ESED Secretary full stop. New para. The group unlawfully intruded into department premises, creating a situation of intimidation and harassment, it noted full stop. New para. The report said that the presence of armed personnel, along with aggressive private individuals, caused panic among staff members and disrupted the normal working environment of the office full stop. New para. It added that during the incident, Naik Muhammad not only threatened staff members but also directly targeted the secretary of the elementary and secondary education department over the phone full stop. New para. In his conversation, the special assistant used highly abusive and derogatory language and openly issued life threats, categorically stating either the secretary would remain alive today or he himself would, the report said full stop. New para. It said the act of intimidation, coupled with the aggressive behavior of his armed companions, instilled fear and insecurity among the government officials present and severely undermined the sanctity of the secretariat full stop. New para. Naik Muhammad remained in the office of the elementary and secondary education secretary for more than 30 minutes, during which he continuously used abusive and threatening language against the secretary, before eventually leaving the office, it said full stop. New para. The incident revolved around the posting of North Waziristan District Education Officer female, and such conduct amounts to gross misconduct and represents a direct threat to the safety and security of the secretary as well as his staff members, according to the report. Full stop. New para. It said the incident had grave administrative and security implications, necessitating immediate measures for the protection of government functionaries and secretariat premises, and action at the appropriate forum to address the matter of serious concern. Full stop. New para. The education secretary issue an office order, saying in view of threats to the lives of employees of the provincial and district offices of the education department, the prevailing security situation and impending life threats, and to ensure the safety of employees, it had been deemed necessary to take precautionary measures. Full stop. New para. It added that all officers in the education department were allowed to work from home from September 15 until further orders. Full stop. New para. I, Muhammad Khalid, secretary to the E and SE department, declare the premises of the education department, provincial and district attach formation, autonomous bodies of the department and schools, public and private, out of bound for entry of armed persons with public representatives as well as persons in private capacities, read the office order. Full stop. New para. Meanwhile, different association of the federal and provincial services, including Provincial Management Officers PMS, Pakistan Administrative Services PAS, Provincial Planning Service, stage protest demonstration against the incident. Full stop. New para. They demanded of the government to provide protection to civil servants. Full stop. New para. They shouted slogans against the special assistant over his rude behavior towards the senior officers. Full stop. New para. Addressing protesters, PMS Association Chairman Noman Wazir said that the protest at the civil secretariat would continue until the aide to the chief minister tendered an apology and the employees were provided with security. Full stop. New para. He said besides the secretariat employees, the commissioners, deputy commissioners and assistant commissioners and their subordinate employees would also stop working from today, Tuesday, and wear black armbands as a protest against the incident. Full stop. New para. Special Assistant to the Chief Minister on relief Naik Mohammed was not available for comments on the issue. Full stop.